I hadn't actually planned on doing a master's at all, and the email popped in advertising this particular master's. And when I saw the price, I thought, oh my God, that sounds really reasonable. Of course, it was in areas that were of interest to me. So it was aimed at sort of the ICT sector, but it was mostly, about leadership and innovation. So I thought, oh, this is ideal. For me, the course was really practical. Just two modules that were very personal to your own personal development, the personality one and the one about teams. And all of the other modules were based, and it even says that in the prospectus, it's all about, it's the whole all of it's about research in your organization, on your organization. And I didn't really get what that exactly meant at the beginning, but then it really came home to me, because all of the other modules were research within the organization I work in. So it really helped me learn about the organization. So it was it was really a good developmental tool for myself. And I think the organization can benefit from that. The course was really, really practical, like the strategy element of it. I know specifically that we did road mapping. I don't know whether the next course would have that specific item, but for me, I was actually able to use that in work during the assignment, and I think it can be used potentially going forward as well. So for me, the studying from home was fine, because I'd done an Open University degree before that, and that was all at home. There was very few classes, but I have to say I really enjoyed the classes. I mean, we made friends, we had great banter. Yep, absolutely would recommend it. Again, for some of the reasons I've already mentioned, you can really develop yourself specifically with two of the modules, which really ask you to analyze yourself, and then just your whole work ethic and your management skills and your leadership skills. And what I really liked about it was so diverse. It really didn't matter what industry you came from. I mean, nearly everybody there was from some sort of an IT kind of a background. And yeah, I was too, in that I work in an IT department, but actually the industry is the disability sector, which made it a little bit more difficult for me in regards to some of the assignment. But once I got stuck into it, actually, it really doesn't matter what industry you work in. This course I think it's suitable for almost anybody, really.
Now that you've heard from some of our graduates, contact us to find out about funding available to significantly reduce the programme fees. Email us now on info@ictskillnet.ie.